welcome to Art for Kids Creative Collages. This week we're going to be focusing on the art making method called collage. This is a really fun technique, and what you see before you are some images I cut out from some magazines, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. That's all you'll need today. Look through your magazines and find some things that are appealing to you. Don't really think of what the final product will be, but cut out colors that you like, an object that you see. I'm particularly liking food today, so I'm gonna make the theme about my piece food. So I'm gonna try to collect those images. You also see some water over here. That's gonna be my background, and I have cut out an architectural structure. So architectural structure, you wanna try to find a building, a door, an interior room, something else that you really like, and also think about textures. So try to combine those components, including color. Here I go. Okay, so as you notice while I do this, I am layering and then applying glue to what has already been glued on the paper. So rather than trying to get in between these little lines, I'm just putting it right on top, and that's how I'm going to continue the process of this. Take a look. All right, now I'm finished with my collage, and again, be mindful of color. Lay down a background foundation, put your architectural structure on top, and then have fun with the objects that you've chosen to cut out. It's important to get as close to the image as you can without leaving any white space. Feel free to rip up your pages if cutting is getting too monotonous, and I hope you enjoy this process. Please share with us any images that you've created. We would love to see them, and have a wonderful week. Thank you.